Hey everyone, David Holt here with Holt Law. I'm going to show you how to renew your DBA or assumed name for free. So right here, I'm at the Minnesota Secretary of State's website. Here's what it looks like. If you Google Minnesota Secretary of State, it should be the top result. Um, I'm going to then search for my DBA. Keep in mind that if it's inactive, you might need to search inactive. So not a big deal if you need to reactivate it. You just pay a smaller fee. If it's active and approaching its date of renewal for the free renewal, simply all you have to do is go through the steps here and it should be free. I own another entity that does not provide legal services, largely a place to um, receive trainings and templates. It's called DocuHealth. You can also see my entity right here. So the entity actually owns the assumed name so that I can advertise without the entity on the end. I'm going to click details of DocuHealth here. It's going to open up. I can see everything here. Everything looks good. This would be an opportunity if you saw any surprises to file an amendment that is going to cost money. But if you didn't like the address or the name holder is incorrect, it's actually an individual instead of an entity or something like that. Now would be the time to update that. Also down here, you're going to see the history, when you filed it, when other stuff has been done. But today, all I'm doing is I'm going to file an amendment or renewal. You can see that it's free right here. Annual renewal, assume name, free. I guess you could cancel, but we want this one right here. I am already signed into my account, but if you did not have a Minnesota Secretary of State account, most people generally do not. Up here on the, we'll call it the top right middle, it's going to prompt you to create an account. It's free. Create an email and do that if you have to. I'm already signed in just to expedite this video. Everything looks good in here for me. I don't have a client reference because I'm not doing this for somebody else. I am going to put in my email here. Largely, this is just to receive updates from the Secretary of State. You may have received one recently about the new registrations that are required in 2024. I won't go into those in this video. I do want to have my email address excluded for requests for bulk data. I do not have a financial interest in agricultural land, although I do want to get a hobby farm going here pretty soon. Is a snapshot, totally optional, so I'm going to go to next. Hey, does this all look good? I'll just do a quick head to toe. Yes, I spelled everything correctly. Yep. And I'm going to hit submit. And give it a few seconds to load. Oof, it's done. And I'm actually going to show you. I'm just going to give it a little bit of cyberspace to kind of think about it, and then watch me click this refresh button, and boom, all done. In a perfect world, you would, keep these filings, but in the whole scheme of things, not really required. And that's how you do an assumed name renewal for free. Thanks so much. I hope you found this video helpful and follow us for more legal tips.